So all the birds are just kind of laying low. It is really windy. Really windy today. And there's the rooster under the stairs. That's his place. Now, we're gonna have to get rid of the rooster very soon, and I'm really hoping that somebody answers my ad on Kijiji, because that's the thing about getting chicks and not knowing what sex they are. Then you may get stuck with a rooster, and in an urban environment, that is not a good thing. And I was told by the lady that sold me the chicks, well, they can just go to freezer camp. But you know what? I don't actually like that idea. I don't think it's a good idea for the rooster. You can hear how windy it is. Yeah, the girls have tried to get themselves away from the wind. We've got some garden fabric on the fence. It's a good wind block for sure. And that is helping.